Is it worth investing in real estate in 2021? The 2020 came as a shock to the real estate market. Deserted office buildings, closed shops and restaurants, empty clubs and hotels. To protect those who lost their job or businesses, a lot of countries had implemented foreclosure moratoriums and eviction bans. Losses were great and not everyone has recovered yet. No wonder that investing in rental property still seems a bit risky. Is it really so? Let's find out together. Why invest in real estate at all? Isn't it an expensive and time-consuming adventure with a low liquidity in the end? Well, if you were right, we wouldn't see so much money in this market. Investing in real estate has a number of advantages. Predictable cash flow. If you have a tenant, you know your monthly income. That's something you can't get from investments in more volatile markets. Tip: when planning your expenses, don't forget that your net income is what you get after making all obligatory payments, such as mortgage and operating expenses, not the entire rent. Passive income. Dealing with property at the beginning could take a lot of time, but once everything is settled, all you have to do is wait for the monthly check. Tip: do your preventive maintenance and get good insurance to avoid emergencies. Tangible asset value. A house will never ever cost nothing, as it sometimes happens with other assets. Real estate liquidity could be low, but there is no way its price would drop overnight. Tip: even if you prefer good solid property investments, it is better to diversify your portfolio with stocks or bonds to have quick access to cash. Appreciation. Value of real estate tends to increase over time. That means not only higher rental income but also a higher profit in case you decide to sell your property in future. Tip: you can make this asset worth more by improving it, but do this wisely. You should understand your real or potential tenants' needs and not spend your money on something they wouldn't appreciate or even notice. It's a good plan for retirement. You get less money from rent when you are young and have a job, but over time your mortgage pays off and your net income increases. Tip: if you own something big, you can downsize and spend the difference at your own discretion. Tax deduction. In some countries, including the United States, Netherlands and Belgium, you can lower your taxes by the amount of interest paid on the loan. Tip: don't get overexcited about this and check your local laws. Okay, all that sounds sweet as syrup, but what's about 2021? A short answer would be sorry, no one knows for sure. But there are some trends that can give us a clue about what's going on with the real estate market. Co-living and co-working is not so popular anymore, and we all know why. Even if everyone seems to dream about getting back to the office, a lot of people have appreciated the benefits of work from home. But working from home can be comfortable only if there is enough space for everybody. So it comes as no surprise that the US already has a shortage of single-family houses, and the demand will probably stay high. Big spaces in the city centers are getting a new life. With a lot of businesses going bankrupt despite the reopenings, building owners are transforming empty spaces into something more relevant. Affordable housing and industrial real estate are the new heroes of the rental market. Almost all the experts agree that a real estate market crash looks very unlikely in the near future. Despite all the instability all around us, people need a place to live in, and they can afford such a place. So you say that the prices are high and the supply is insufficient. That's right, but don't be upset just yet. 2021 offers at least two unique opportunities. Mortgage rates are low. Really low. Low to the point that in spite of high prices, a lot of people can afford themselves a new home or a new investment. But those rates won't be that low forever, so if you ever thought maybe I should invest in real estate someday, this could be that day. A wave of foreclosures is coming. Governmental moratoriums are not endless, and a lot of individuals and businesses didn't make it through this tough time. For investors, on the one hand, that means a chance to buy property with good discounts. On the other hand, this will probably result in a raised number of people renting instead of buying, which might be bad for them but good for landlords. To sum all this up, 2021 is neither the worst nor the best year to invest in real estate. So the real questions you should pose yourself before spending money on property are: what's my goal as a real estate investor? Do I know all the options? What will it cost me? If you already have the answers, then good luck to you. That's all for today's video. I hope you find it interesting and helpful. Let me know what you think about the real estate market situation in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos.